Welcome back, subscribers and YouTubers. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to apply a window decal. Make your, window look pretty nice, privacy wise. And so this is the decal I bought from Amazon. And it's pretty simple to apply. So here I'm taking off the plastic wrap on the product. Remove this. Don't even need to read the instructions. So just gonna peel these stickers out of here. Alright, let's checking the transparency and see which side is the inside and which side is the outside. So the smooth side goes against the window and the rough side goes out on the facing outside, facing towards you. So just put it on there and measure the length before I cut it, I have to do 2 cuts, one on the bottom and one on the left side. So if you got tape or you got another extra person to help you hold it, it'd be great. So I got my wife here to hold the top while I cut the bottom. So I bought this decal apply kit. Comes with squeegees, X-Acto knife, everything you need to apply the decal on. Look at this X-Acto blade, and I'm gonna cut the bottom. So when you cut, you're gonna cut right on that edge where the window meets the wood frame. So nice straight cut across. I'm going all the way out to cut off that piece. To the side now. Check the length again. Remove these stickers that came with the decal here. The arrow says this side up. So what I do to get it to stick good, to cut the left side, I'm going to spray some water on the window and let the water hold the decal on there. So get a good spray on the window. Now on the back of these decal, the smooth side also has a very thin film to remove before you truly apply to the window, to leave it on to make it really stick. But right now I'm just gonna put it on there so I can cut the left side. So Water helps it hold while I do the measuring and cutting on the left side. It's easier that way for me. More accurate. Just pushing down the edge so I can get a good clean cut. First time doing this, so bear with me, people. DIY. I do it. If I screw up, you can learn from my mistakes. Well, here we go. Cut the left side. So, right to the edge, alright? Slowly cut down. Make sure your blade is sharp so it cuts good. Alright. So now, take it back out. Peel the thin film from the back of the decal on the smooth side. Kind of hard to get out. Spray some water. Now apply it down. Water helps you, move it around while it's not dry yet. Now just get the edge really good, So what I do, I get a squeegee and start squeegeeing it all around the corners. I'm just checking the edge, make sure everything applies good. You'll see me use a squeegee to squeegee out the water, excess water. And here you go. Gotta have a squeegee, get that water out of there. So it dries fast and looks good. The bond to the window. That's how you do it. Pretty simple. And an extra hand would be good. If not, use tape. Well, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if you're new to my channel. And we'll see you all again next time. Stay safe.